This week we are learning about two new vowel teams. We're learning about OU and OW. So OU, our key word for OU is ouch. So it's OU, ouch, ow. So when we see OU, it's going to say ow, like ouch. Now we also have OW. Our key word for this OW is cow, and it says ow. So yes, we learned about OW before, but that keyword was snow because OW said O at the end of the word. But this is OW as in cow, and it says ow at the end of the word with a few exceptions. So it's really important that we use those keywords. So it's O like snow, or it's ow like cow. When kids are reading it, if they come across OW and we know it's ow like cow, we can say, oh, that's like cow. So there's rules and differences between OU and OW. So OU says ow at the beginning or the middle of the word. So if we have this word, I identify that's OU. So ow, d, sound. So we can come, but right here, OU is at the beginning, out, out. So I see OU again in the middle, ouch, couch. So OU says ow, and we usually find it at the beginning or the middle. So if we hear ow and it's at the beginning, we're going to write OU. And if it's in the middle, if we hear ow, we're going to usually write OU. Now, this is where we get a little tricky. We have OW. So OW, cow, ow. So OW, like cow, says ow. And use OW at the end of a word or before a final L, N, E, L, or ER. Yes, there's a lot of rules and exceptions. So we're definitely going to be playing around with it. So if you see on this word right here, OW is in the middle of the word. Well, you would think ow, OU would say ow there, but it doesn't because it ends with the L. So g, r, ow, o, growl. And then, but here and here, they're both at the end of the word, ow, or ow. So the tricky thing that you're going to run into is when a word has OW and then it has an N at the end, right here. So have the students check and see, ow, is it clown? Clown. Oh, that makes sense. And then own, because I know OW like snow could also have an N at the end. So that's honestly a lot of what this is to help students is recognizing, is it OW as cow or clown? Or sorry, cow or snow. It's just going to be a lot of repetition and a lot of repeating what we're doing and just a lot of exposure. So we're not expecting them to master it, but just having some exposure. So if you see, to figure out if it's OU or OW, we're going to look at part of the word. This was missing in the middle of the word, and it was ND at the end. So it definitely didn't fit this OW, so we put OU. But this was in the middle, but it was the L at the end, so we put OW. So yes, OU and OW both say ow. You'll see OU at the beginning or middle, and OW at the end most of the time, with the exception being L, N, EL, or ER. Hope that helps.